Hello and welcome to the Online Force. I'm Robin, and today I'm going to show you how to see your site in both desktop and mobile views. This is really important for you to be able to check how the site's going to look in each of the different formats. So here we go. We're logged in and we're in the dashboard, and we're going to go to Edit Site, and as we get that loaded, we're going to take a view at the top of the page. This is a really simple thing. At the top here you will see the two symbols, the desktop screen symbol and the mobile phone symbol. If I click on the mobile phone, that's going to show you how it looks when you're scrolling on your phone. And then we can go back to the desktop view. Simple as that. That's it for this tutorial. In the next video, I'll show you how to add a new page in Wix. This is the Online Force, and I'm Robin. Keep building, keep learning, and may the Force be with you always.